Hi everyone, Jared here. Welcome to System Test 25, or Fire Alarm Test 25, however you want to call it. It's just the next monthly test, how about that? So, we got a lot of new stuff to go over. Right here we have the 4903 9303, again like usual. SmartSync module, which Simplex Fire Alarm guy gave me. This is a 4905 9938. From what he told me, it works. I trust him, but I want to see if I can get it working. I know how to wire this up, but it's very hard for me to see when it comes to wiring things up. So, that's coming later. And we have the panel. This is what it's going to look like in the near future. I have some plexiglass here. I also have the remaining parts that I have here painted. So, this is what the panel is going to look like somewhat. However, when it comes to the plexiglass, I don't know if I'll keep the plexiglass or if I'll keep it. I'll have to cut a hole in the side of this in order to put the plexiglass in it. If I mess up that hole, then the panel is pretty much garbage. I'll have to throw it out and build a new one, which I don't want to do. So, I'm debating on whether if I should keep the plexiglass or not. And otherwise, other than that, when it comes to gluing and putting our parts all together, the last thing I just need to do is just leather it. So, good to go. Now, for the alarms. Up here we have the 4903 and 9219, again like usual. And if you take a little stroll over here, we also have a 4903 9425. I was originally going to put a smoke detector there for this month, but this caught me by surprise, so I decided to put that up there instead. The True Alert does work. I have tested it. If I do somehow wire it up, it'll probably be set up as a 2-wire. I like the ability of having 4-wire, but when it comes to using just 9-volt batteries, I don't have enough to do a 4-wire operation, so instead, I'll do a 2-wire operation. Now, the only thing I don't like about the True Alert when it compares to the older 4903 like that, it's harder to wire up. That's my opinion. You have to take the cover plate off, you have to take the back box off. Actually, no, you don't have to take the back box off. But you're basically fighting with a bunch of wires in a very small area. Even when I tried to wire it up and test it, it was kind of hard for me to wire up. Anyway, like I said, the True Alert does work. It does need a little bit of cleaning. You can see the difference between here and there. I'll clean it. Not at the moment, but yeah. There we go. Nighthawk detector again like usual. First Alert SA303. I actually got a video of this going off the other night. Take a look.
Alright, well now back to the ongoing crisis in Texas as people in Dallas search for fresh water.
We're not able to take showers. It's nightmare, we're not able to function the way we normally would. Our mind isn't in the right place, we feel grubby and slow, so we just want to get back to normal.
I got it. And that's actually becoming a regular occurrence in this house. To which we decide to call the smoke detector a quote-unquote dinner bell, because it seems like every time when dinner's done, the smoke detector goes off. How fun. The 9219 is hooked up and is ready for testing. Here we go. Well, shucks. Alright, let's try that again. Feels so good walking out here again. No more snow. It's actually not that bad out here. They want it in the 70s today. Now, if I would have the True Alert hooked up, you would hear it out here. I think I'll give the smoke detectors a break this month, because I tested them not too long ago, so we'll give them a break this month. We'll test them again next month. Here we go. And reset. There we go. And to kill it completely. There we go. Alright. That's enough testing for this month. Hope you all enjoy, and I'll see you all later. Take care.